Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be doing the hair paint wax coloring to my hair using the Mofajang hair coloring material. This is what it looks like. This is one of the most common ones that are used. My camera never focuses. Whatever. This is one of the most common ones that are used. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that for this video. It's going to be two parts. This part is me applying it and how it is right after I apply it and after I scrunch it out in the morning. And then the next video will be like my review on it and how I think it was and sorry, and how it came out and everything like that. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post. Alright, so I'm going to start off by telling you guys that I am sick, which is why my voice sounds like this. And we have a little change of scenery. Usually I am filming on my bed with the backdrop over there. But since I'm doing with the hair paint wax, I don't want that to get in my bed. I'd rather get on the floor where I can just like clean it really easily. So I'm standing up for this video and going with like this, whatever's behind my calendar and stuff. And second, I guess, PSA is that my camera is not fully charged. So it may die in the middle of this video and I will have to switch to using my phone. Alright, so I'm going to start off by using regular cream and gel. So I'm going to start off with the Curl Talk Defining Cream. So, come on. Oh, and also since the table is behind me now, I'm going to be turning around a lot to get the products. My hair is breaking so much. I'm going to have to do another video on, a video on how I help with breakage because I do have a treatment, I just haven't done it. It would be really smart for me to do it because this is ridiculous. Ow. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to use the gel of Curl Talk. Alright, so now that I have those two products in my hair, I'm going to use the gel, use a napkin really quick, just so I can take all the hair off of my hands. It's really gross. Alright, so now I'm going to use the color. Let's open it. I won this in a giveaway. I always do this. I always forget to open it beforehand. Okay. I won this in a giveaway on Instagram. So I've done this before, but not with this brand or this color. This is what the color looks like. Let's see how it feels. Oh, it's very like, waxy. Alright. So I'm just gonna like take some. Like it's very smooth. Kind of like just start applying it in my hair. Ooh, it looks electrical. That was hilarious. It smells bad though. Oh my god. It smells like I don't know what it smells. It smells like something. I don't know though. It smells bad. It smells like alcohol mixed with like, I don't know, it's a familiar scent, I just don't know where it's from, which is the problem. Ooh, it's coming out nice and pigmented. Heard you, let's see. Alright guys, so I'm done applying it to my hair. Right there. I'm done applying it to my hair. This is how it is look. Oh, do I need more in the middle? I can't even see. Let me see this mirror. Oh no, I think it's fine. I'm gonna apply a little bit more just in case, because like I can't, obviously can't see it back there. Alright, so this is how it is looking. I'm loving it right now. This color looks amazing. Like, it's not too, what's on my head? It's not too like blue. It's like electrical blue, you know? So as you guys can see, it's like all over me. So I'm gonna have to like wipe myself down because I just took a shower. So I have to like wipe myself down so that I do not wet my hair and this does not come out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm going to let this dry, and then before I scrunch it, I'm gonna wrap my hair in my silk scarf like I do every night. And then after I wrap my hair, I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up, it's gonna be dry. I'm gonna fluff it out, and I'm gonna scrunch out the crunch and see how it is. See if it starts coming out of my hands and whatever else. So I'll be back in the morning. Alright guys, I just woke up, and excuse my voice, I think I'm getting more sick instead of better. So I just woke up, so now I'm just gonna take my scarf off. Oh, it's blue guys, really blue. It's really crunchy because you know it's wax. I'm gonna take my Righteous Swiss oil as always and scrunch out the crunch. Alright guys, so I scrunched out the crunch. It is no longer crunchy. I'm going to fluff it out a bit more. Mainly in the back. Oh, I have an AirPod in. I didn't even realize that. Alright, so these are my results. I cannot speak. I really like the color. It's not like a too much of a blue. It's more of like a electric blue, like I said yesterday. So I really like the color. And my curls look great. The wax didn't make my curls look any different than what it would without the wax. And I feel like if anything, it made it more defined. So yeah, the wax, when I just fluffed it out, did not get on my hands, which is honestly amazing because I was expecting to, since you know I'm touching my hair, the wax would come off, but it didn't. So yeah, so far so good. At the moment, I would give this brand and this color a 10 out of 10 because it's not anywhere, like it's not even on me, like it's not even getting on me. And my hair looks great, my curls are enhanced, and the hold is amazing. So yeah, so far 10 out of 10. That may change based on my next video that I'm gonna do once I take this off. So yeah, it may change, may not. Maybe it's just like an amazing brand and an amazing color. So I'm just gonna turn around for you guys. This is what it's looking like. I can't see it, so like you guys can see it. Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post. And be on the lookout for the second part of this video that should be coming in about a week or so.